In this video, I'll be going over V2 of Vault Labels, made some updates based on your feedback. So as a reminder, Vault Labels automatically labels content in your vault with a tag like this used in posts, just automatically tracks which one's already been sent out in a post. And then in chat, which we'll get to in a bit, it'll also tell you which one's already been sent to a fan. So this way you can focus on the content that has not been used yet. So the first call out, in order to have this working accurately, please have the All album as the first album that you see in your vault. And then have the Post album as a second album in order in your vault. This way it pulls correctly from each of these folders and then it can tag correctly as well. But yes, the vault labels now work in pretty much any album. You can see these two have already been used in posts. And then one way to double check that everything's working is that everything in post should be tagged as used in post because they were all used in a post of some sort. The other call out to keep in mind is the file names should be unique for each file. So when you're uploading, just make sure that you have a unique file name. Otherwise, there can be some inaccuracies in the labeling itself. And then the final call out for the vault is that I don't have a ton of content here, but there are people who have thousands. If you have thousands of files, it may take a little longer to load everything, but it will eventually load and it should get faster over time. So now that we see this, another place you can use Vault Labels is actually inside chat. So when I'm inside chat and I'm sending something from the vault or anything else, I can now see that this was already sent to the fan, so I don't want to send it again. This was sent to the fan, but I could send some of the other materials that have not been seen yet by the person. So if you have any questions about how this feature works or anything that's off about the logic for you, just let me know. One last thing, as always, you can go into your settings tab, and if you ever want to turn off the labels, you can just do that right here, turn it off. Similarly, if you want to check that it should be on, I would just make sure that's been activated. And if you want to get back to this video for reference, this will take you straight to the YouTube video.